exercise mainly on subset and perset and intervals of R, that is also as subset of R. Now when a set is said to be subset, a set A is said to be subset of another set B, and we denote it by this. If A contains, if all the element of A, all the element of this set contained in the other set B, then we say that if all the element of A belongs to the set B, then we say that this is a subset. This is proper subset sign and this is improper set. It may be equal also. So let us start. Exercise 1.3, first one problem. First Roman 1 is 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 2, 3, 4. This one, whether this set is subset or not of the set 1, 2, 3, 4. See that all the element 2, 3, 4 is belongs to the set 2, 3, 4, 5. This 1 to 5 is there. So this is obviously, as all 2, 3, 4, all elements of this are, so this is subset of the second set. Next, check that A, B, C, Roman 2. A is there, but A is not in this set. Therefore, this ABC is not a subset. This is not a subset of the second set BCD. Not in this set, as A is not in this set. Next, the set is of set of all those students, so that X is a student of class 11 of your school and X is student of your school. Okay, now see that this is bigger set. This collection is greater collection. Obviously, all the student, this class 11 student is also student of your school. That imply all the student of class 11 will be student of this school. So all 11 class 11 student will be obviously student. So that imply all student of class 11 is belongs to this collection. Therefore, the first set, that is X is a student of class 11, is subset of the set of all student. Next, number 4, it is given X is a circle in a plane, and the next set is given X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. Now X, this one, if we take one circle for first, number 4, for first case, if you take one circle of radius 2 unit, suppose the length is 2 unit, the radius is 2 unit, then this circle is not in this collection. So therefore it is not a subset, or only those circle is in this collection whose radius is 1 unit, but this is all circle. So this is not a subset of the second set. But if it is given, you can say that this is superset. This sign you can use. This sign you can use, but this is not given in the option. Okay, but because this is a set of all circle and this is set of unit circle. But if we take this sign, you can use this one. So, but this first one is not subset of second one. Second one is subset of first one. So it will be not subset. This sign we will apply. Now number 5. X is a triangle in a plane and it is a rectangle in a plane. So X is set of all triangle, this first one, and this is rectangle. So obviously this is collection of all rectangle. Therefore no triangle is there. So this is not a subset. Number 6 is X is an equilateral triangle in a plane and X is triangle in the same plane. That implies it is collection of all triangle. Collection of all triangle, and this is only of equilateral triangle. So obviously, if all triangles are there, that implies all equilateral triangles are also there. That implies all the element of the first set is there. So this is subset of the second set. Next, X is an even integer, even natural number, and X is an integer. So as natural number set is subset of integer, obviously even natural number is also subset. All the even natural number is also there. It contains all starting from minus dot 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 minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements is in this set integer. And it is particularly even natural number. That means even positive integers. So this is subset of the second set. First set is the subset of second set. Next. Next is question number 2. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. Are true or false. Check that A comma B, this is given not subset of BCA. AB, this is given, and another set is BCA, and it is given not subset. Okay, but check that all the element of this set, this is A and B, are in this set. So that implies it will be subset. So the first one, it is false statement. Next, number 2, it is given AE, number 2 given AE, the left hand first set it is given AE, and it is given subset of X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. That implies in this set A, E, I, O, U, these elements are there. Now check that the element A and E in this set, and they are also in this set also. There are some more element, but A and E there. We have to check all the element of this set is there or not. So clearly this is subset. That implies this is correct. So number 2, it is a true statement. Next, number 3. Check, already written 1, 2, 3. This is subset of 1, 3, 5. In this set 2 is not there. If it is given 2, then we can say that it is subset. But as 2 is not in this set, we cannot say that. So this is a false statement. Next, only A subset of ABC. This A subset, this is a set. Remember that this is a set and this is of ABC. Obviously this is true because A is there. So the number 4, this is true statement. Number 5, it is given A belongs to. Now this, careful about this one. For this one, this A belongs to ABC. This is belongs to sign, not subset sign. Now A is not an element, this is a set. We generally write some element belongs to this. Okay, if we write this one A belongs to this, then it is correct. A belongs to ABC, then it is correct. But it is given the set A, the singleton set A belongs to this set, but there is no singleton set in this collection. This is singleton set and this is element. So that's why this statement number 5, the statement is false. This is false statement, and this is tricky because this is subset and this is belongs to sign. Next, number 6, it is given x is an even natural number less than 6, and next set is given x is a natural number which divide 36. So what will be the first set for Roman 6? What will be the first set? Let me write. This will be an even natural number less than 6. So 2 and 4, and it is given x is natural number which divides 36. So the divisors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, and 18, 36 itself. So clearly the element 2 and 4 are there. 2 and 4 are there. So therefore it is a correct statement. So that implies this is true statement. Next, we will discuss the problem of number 3. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? We have to write the reason behind that. क्यों ये करेक्ट है और क्यों ये इनकरेक्ट है, ये वाला हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वन, इट इज गिवन a इक्वल टू 1, then 2, then the set. This is a set. This is also an element of the set A, and this is 5. Which of the following? First one, 3, 4. This 3, 4 subset of A. This is false because see that number 1, 3, 4. This 3, 4 is an element of the set A. 3, 4 is an element of the set A. So we can write this belongs to A. It is not subset of A. If you want to write in subset form, we have to write 3, A. First, this is element, and we have to take the subset of that. Then you can write this is A. This is correct. But the first one, this is false. So I am writing T and F only. In place of true and false, I am writing T and F only. So the first one, this is false statement because you can write this is true. This is an element of the set. But for right subset, you have to write this. Next, 3, 4 belongs to the set A. 3, 4 belongs to the set A. Clearly check that this 3, 4, this set, this is itself a set. This is an element of the set A. Therefore, number 2, this statement 3, 4 belongs to the set A. This is correct. 3, 4 belongs to the set. This is correct. So that implies this statement is true statement. This is a true statement. I am using green here. Next, check that already I have discussed that this statement, this will be subset of. You have to take the singleton. This is one element of the set A. So singleton set 3, 4 is subset of A. So this is also true. Now number 4, 1 belongs to A. Clearly 1 belongs to A. 1 is this subset. So 1 belongs to A. 1 is an element of A. So this is true. Number 4, 1 subset of A. An element cannot be a subset. For one subset, this must be a set. This is an element. This is not a subset. So this is false. The correct statement will be 1 singleton set 1 is subset of A. So this is false statement. An element cannot be a subset. So this is false statement. Number 6, 1, 2, 5. Okay, obviously 1, 2, 5. This is all are in the set and written in set form. So this is true. Number 6 is true statement. Why it is true? Because these are the collection of all such elements which are already all in E. Next 1, 5, 1, 2, 5. Now this is a set and it is given belongs to. Now only set belongs to the set A is 3, 4. So 1, 2, 5. This statement is false. 1, 2, 5. This belongs to A. We cannot write. This is subset of A. This set is not in the set A. So this is a false statement. Number 7 is a false statement. This is a false statement. Now number 8. See, number 8, it is given 1, 2, 3 subset of A. This is also false. This is false because see that 1, 2, 3 is not 1, 2 element, but 3 is not an element of the set. 3 does not belongs to the set A. So we cannot say that this is subset of A. See that this 3, 4 is in form of set. This is an element of the set. The singleton, the single element 3 or single element 4 is not belongs to A. They are in set form. So we cannot say that as 3 does not belongs to. So for number 8 you will write as 3 does not belongs to A. Therefore it is not a subset. So the statement is false. This is false statement. Now phi belongs to A. Phi belongs to phi is the phi is the empty set. Empty set is always subset of A. Empty set is not belongs to this. So this set is not belongs to the set. The set phi is not belongs to A. Phi, it is this belongs to A. This statement given. Actually it will be phi subset of. We generally write phi. This is the empty set and it is subset of all set. So this is not a element of A. So therefore this is also false. Now number 10, phi subset of A. That's what I am telling. So this is also correct. Phi is subset of A. That imply I have written wrong. This one, this is true statement. Number 10 is true statement. Number 11, that is false statement. This is singleton set phi. This is a set containing the element phi. So this is not a subset of A because phi does not belongs to A. This is also a Greek letter. This is not belongs to A. Phi is subset of A. That is the empty set. Therefore the last statement 11 is also false. Next, number 4, write down all the subset of the following sets. Number 4, it is given. First one, A. This is a singleton set. We have to write all the subset of A. So check that phi, the empty set is always subset of any set. The empty set is always subset of any set. So 4 Roman 1, the subsets are phi and as it is singleton set, the set A itself. This is the answer for number 1. Number 2, similarly phi, this is the common subset. Then singleton A, singleton B and the subset and the set itself. This is subset of A comma B. Now number 3, this is 1 comma 2 comma 3. The sets are 1 comma 2 comma 3. Roman 3, the set is. So what will be the subset? First subset is phi. Next singleton set 1. Next singleton 2. Next singleton 3. Next, what we will write? We will take two elements together. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. This is second bracket. 1, 3. Next, we will take three elements that imply the full set. 1, 2, 3. Actually, we know that for any set, number of subset is 2 to the power n. Number of subset of a set containing n element is 2 to the power n. Check that. Number 1, this is containing one element, so number of subset, this is 2. Next one containing two element, number of subset 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Next, it is containing 3 elements, so it will be 2 cube, that is 8. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of subset is 8. Next, 5, the empty set. There is no element, so that implies number of subset will be 2 to the power 0, that is 1. And what is that subset? That subset is phi itself. Phi itself is the subset, 2 to the power 0, so phi itself is the subset. Now it is given how many elements has P of A. Next we will decide number 5. How many element P of A has? So number 5, it is given A equal to phi. How many elements A has? So the formula is 2 to the power 0. Number of element in A is equal to 0. So number of element in the set P of A, that is power set of A, the subset of all set, that will be 2 to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay, so P of A has only one element. This is the answer of number 5. Okay, next we will solve number 6. So question number 6, we will find the interval. Before finding the answer, see the definition of interval. Closed interval A comma B, this implies collection of all those x such that A less than equal to S, x less than equal to B. Closed interval A open B imply A all those collection of x such that A less than equal to x and less than B. Open interval A comma B, this imply collection of all those x such that A less x less B. Similarly, open A closed B is collection of all those x, A less x less than equal to B. That implies in which side equal to less than or equal to sign is there, that side is closed, and which side is open, that side only less than. Okay, now exercise 6 Roman 1. Question number 6 Roman 1. It is given collection of all those x belongs to R. R is the set of real numbers such that -4 less x. See that this is less x and less than equal to 6. So what will be the interval? As it is less than, so this side open, only less than. So less than, so open 4 and closed 6. This is the interval for 6 Roman 1. Now 6 Roman 2. Check that it is given -12 collection of all those x such that -12 less x less -10. That implies both is less than, no equal to sign is there. So 6 Roman 2, the interval will be open interval minus 12, open interval minus 10, minus 12 minus 10. Next, number 3. Check that it is given x belongs to R such that 0 less than equal to x less than 7. Less than equal to imply this side will be closed 0 and open 7. Number 4. It is given both side closed. The less than equal to imply both side closed. So 3 close and 4 it is also. So close interval 3 comma 4. This is the from the definition. Now from the definition I will write in set builder form. Number 7 Roman 1, it is given minus 3 open 0. So this will be the set of all such x as open. So this is the limit minus 3 less than x less than 0. So this will be the set builder form. Next, Roman 2, it is given closed 6 and 12, both side closed. So this will be the collection of all such x such that as closed. So this will be 6 less than equal to x less than equal to 12. Number 3, this is open 6 closed 12. That will be the collection of all such x such that 6 open, so only less than sign, it will not include the point 6 and less than equal to 12. This is number 3. Now number 4, check. It is given minus 23 open, close minus 23 and open 5. So what will be the set? Element of all such x such that all such real number x such that minus 23 less than equal to x less than the element 5. Now in each case, okay, x are real number. I didn't mention that this x belongs to the real number set. So in each case you will write x belongs to R. Okay, I did that mistake. This is also x belongs to R. X belongs to the set of real number R and x belongs to the set of real number R. In this form you will write x belongs to the set of real number R, then comma this statement. Next, number 8. What universal set would you propose for each of the following? Number 1, 8 Roman 1. What will be the universal such that it will include all these angles? Right, number 8 Roman 1. The set of right angle triangles. The set of right angle triangles. So for right angle triangle, universal can be the set of triangles or set of polygon only. Similarly, the second one, isosceles triangle. In that case, universal set will be the set of triangles or set of polygons or set of two-dimensional figure. So we can, for both 8 Roman 1 and 2, we can choose the universal set as the set of triangles. It includes all triangles, set of triangles. Now these are two are some particular type, right angle triangle and another is isosceles triangle. Now A, B, C, three sets are given. Which of the following may be considered as universal set for all three set A, B, C? Remember that we can consider a set as universal set if it is the superset of all those set, or all those set are subset of the set. Now see that here A is equal to 1, 3, 5, B equal to 2, 4, 6, and C equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That imply 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is also there, 5 is also there, 6 there, 8 there. These are the elements in A, B, and C. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. All element covers. So these all elements must be there, and it can contain more than that these elements. Now check that. Obviously the first one we cannot take as universal set, because A is not a subset of that, B is also not a subset of that, cannot be universal set for A, B, C, because A subset of this set, first one, A subset of this set, B subset of this set, but C is not subset of this, 8 is not there, so it cannot be universal set of for all A, B, and C. Obviously phi no element, it cannot be. Now check that in this number 3, 0 is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10. These are the extra elements. So there may be some extra element. So we can take this one as, because A is subset of this set, B is subset of this set, and C is also subset of this set. So we can take this one as universal set of those sets. Next, number 4, see that the 0 element is not there, so clearly C is not subset of number 4. So we cannot take C as a subset of, as superset of A, B, C. The number 4 as superset of A, B, C. Okay, this is it for exercise 1.3.